Hey there, we're the Markhams, Chris, Andrea, and our adventure dog, Emmy. We're combat veterans who met in Afghanistan, sold our house after 7 amazing years, and now we're hitting the road to explore every corner of America. From stunning national parks to hidden caves, we're on a non-stop adventure, making memories and chasing sunsets. Set off on an unforgettable adventure across America with us and our dog, Emmy. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any moments. Based off last week's video, we were kind of in a re-transition phase, and we had to figure out what we were going to do in the meantime, because they're unsure exactly what day next week, this coming week, that we would get our RV back. We have made the decision that we are going to drive down to Elkhart on Tuesday and just be there and stay in a hotel for 3 nights, because they said that we should have it back by Friday. But they didn't want to say an earlier day in between Tuesday and Friday, because Tuesday was our original pickup day that we were supposed to get it back. We're just going to be in the area, that way we don't get the email saying it's ready for pickup, and then we have to scramble 10 hours over there to Indiana from where we are in Minnesota. That is the new plan, and we're gonna roll with it. RV life, so is what it is, but that's what we're gonna be doing now. So we are wrapping up our time in Minnesota. We only have 3 more days here. We're going to dinner tomorrow night with my parents to do my dad's birthday. His birthday is on Friday, so we're missing it by a few days, but is what it is at this point. So unfortunately, but we're making up for it. And then Sunday we're going bowling, because Chris requested bowling before we leave Minnesota, so I think my parents are going to come with for that too. And Monday is packing up, so Chris's last day for trucking for summer season is today, so that's exciting. He goes into layoff mode now, and yeah, that's life. So stay tuned. Hopefully we get our RV next week.
Well, I woke up early today, 1 o'clock, to do 2 bigger backhoe moves. One's I'll gross out at just about 200,000 pounds, and this second one, it's just a 336, so I'll be 165-ish, 160, I don't know, somewhere around there. But it's my last day, my last 2 moves, get everything done by 7 o'clock and get back home, pack up the truck. Tomorrow morning we head out to Indiana. Hopefully get the camper Thursday. Wednesday I have a aquahot class with the RBTI. That should be cool. I get to swap from my little trailer, I guess. 55-ton trailer over to the 3+2, which is a 60-ton trailer. A little more weight on there. Distributes better, good stuff. This little guy. It's gonna go on there. It's about 117 to 120,000 pounds. These new ones are hefty. Frustrating, but nice. Got her down on the stick there. She's not running on any of the cylinders or brake lines. I got room to chain still. Actually, I think I could roll up about 3-4 inches. Take some weight off of the truck for once. Go easy on her. Alright, we're good. Remember, maintenance on your batteries is key if you're driving oversized at night. It took a lot longer to get here than I wanted it to. So, I'm going to get this thing offloaded quick and get on to the next one. That's annoying. But it's Monday, what else do we expect, right? Bright lights. Give the old girl a quick bath with mismatched fenders. Just let the guy taking it over have a clean truck. I think that's nice. Try to be a nice person. Love Cummins power. So should you. Well, got her parked and got the big trailer gone, put away, all cleaned up. Bye-bye. So I am done with my last day. I did 2 backhoes, a 349 cat and a 336 cat. And then I washed the truck and greased the fifth wheel and cleaned out my stuff. Now I'm on my way home, going to work out, I believe, and then pack the truck, get it ready to leave tomorrow morning. We're gonna get the heck out of Minnesota and get south. pick up our camper and then get south. So we'll see where this takes us, huh?
Got the welcome committee out. Chris is home from his last day of summer season and with his brand new sunglasses with prescription. Let's see. What do you think of your new glasses?
They're nice.
Look at that little fancy. How are your sunglasses driving home? Ooh.
Sun trends, thank you.
Sun trends.
I don't know what it means, but they're polarized.
Ooh.
It was really nice actually. They're not like dark like my Oakleys.
Oh, you can't see.
Yeah, so I like it a lot.
Good.
And of course they're prescription. So I was like going through the construction. I was like, can we win? Can we do? Can we? It was good.
We're glad you like them.
I like them a lot.
How do you like these ones?
I like them a lot. I like that they're solid and I don't have to adjust the nose pieces.
Yeah.
Because anybody who has glasses, I think the nose pieces are the most annoying part. But I don't know, it's nice. They're light. And I can do this and they curl around my ears.
They were able to make them fit you perfectly.
Yeah, it's really nice. For all the head banging I do.
Stay tuned for next week's video. We'll be diving into the good and the bad of this round at the factory, from working with Alliance and Lippert to our experience with RV haulers. We're breaking down what went right, what went wrong, and what we've learned along the way. You won't want to miss this one. Thanks for joining us on another adventure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button so you don't miss any of the fun. See you next time.